Mississippi Soup Kitchen needed supplies. Within just a few hours of hearing that, the food cupboards at the kitchen were filled up again. So we'll have more on that story with the rest of the day's news when you join us here on CTV News at 6. We're also continuing the discussion about PD days and whether they ought to be used to make up for days lost to storms. Talking tonight to a teachers union leader. But let's get started now with Jane Bruce.
Thanks, Steve. And first up tonight, staying warm. As some of you all focused on these chilly past few weeks, but you ever think about how safe your home heating really is?
Early yesterday, Steve mentioned 6 people were sent to hospital in the Annapolis Valley when a combination oil and wood-burning furnace exploded. The house was lifted off its foundation by the force.
Luckily, nobody was killed, but it's certainly a good reminder that anything you use to heat your home can be cause for concern if it's not properly handled and properly maintained. Our Ron Shaw